Myro, well, here it is. This is gonna tell it all, really. This is out on a 3 day chart. Let's go out on a 5 day. Let's go out on a weekly. Yeah, here we go. This will tell everything right here. All right, Myro must, and I mean must, um, hold this area that it's in. All right, if it ends up losing this low right here, what's that at 0.0638? If it loses that low, game over. I mean, it's coming down here, this fifth wave. Um, but I guess that would be a relief in a way for a lot of people that we get this over with and done. And hopefully that would be the end of the correction and could move to the upside and get going. Now, find some pretty interesting things on this, right? Like I said, this is a weekly chart, and this would have to clear, first off, a break of 9.7. All right, that's number one. Out on a weekly chart, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's just about 10 weeks, 2.5 months that it's been down here in this zone. Okay, if it did happen to break 9.7, then it's going to have to take out this right up here, right here. That's up at 17.5 cents. All right, it would have to take that out to get rid of any potential, wave five here to the downside further. It had this push down to here, um, but if this was ended up being another wave, potentially down 3 cent area. Okay, now let's take a look at a few things here because I find a couple things pretty interesting here. Your weekly RSI is bullish, a 42 and a 32. Your monthly, you don't have monthly. All right, 3 day is bearish. Okay, your 5 day is just about right at the top. Your daily has started right here at the bottom. All right, it is starting to the upside. You can see this down through here. It's do or die really. This area here is going to mean everything. For the next week or two as far as price action. The 12-hour is bullish. 8-hour is still bullish, 61 to 56. Your 4-hour is bearish. Now, you're going to want to see this. If you're going to get a bounce at all out of Myro, all right, number one, this area we talked about, but number two would be in the smaller areas is where you'd see it first, okay, which would be right down through here, 618 to the 786, right in this zone right here. All right, this would be an early indicator that it would possibly be holding ground, would be to see a bounce out of here. All right, oh boy, I like that triple sixes there. I'm not superstitious, but I still don't like that. Um, you know, you're going to want to see it, like I said, right through here. It's 6.8 down to 6.6, 0.066 to 0.068. Right, you're going to want to see a retracement down here and get a bounce up out of here. This is on the smaller time frames. Like I said, that 4-hour is coming down, so I'm expecting it to come down here, but we'll see what happens. After it gets there, we're going to get a bounce out of there or not. The 1 hour is reset. Okay, so could play a little bit to the upside before it makes it down to this area. But like I said, I'm expecting it to get down here, and then we'll see what happens. But on this bigger chart here, you definitely do not want to see a loss of 0.063. Right, that was the low, and that went through the 786 here out on this daily chart. All right, so maybe we see a little bit of a push to the upside before anything major happens here. But these are your range areas, right? These are your ranges right here. These areas, right down here. Let's put a label on that. 0.05 was just about 6 cents to to 9.7. This has been the range for the last 2.5 months. All right, so any break of the range, any break of these two numbers is going to mean something different. Okay, either a further push to the downside or a break of 9.7, which has held it down for 2.5 months, and a possible push to the upside. All right, just going to have to see how this plays out. But first off, you're going to want to see the bounce in that box there, the numbers we talked about, for any chance of a move to the upside. All right, if it breaks down through this box, and especially if it breaks 0.059, then down to 3 cents is the target here. So nothing much has changed as far as this, but we're right in that zone now where it's going to give us some answers here pretty soon. Have a great day, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.